Living in the unknown. What a scary concept. Waking up and not knowing what's next or what the future holds aren't easy feelings to get over in a couple of days, weeks, or even a month. With all of this in mind, still, I'm beyond grateful. Sure, some days are harder than others. It's not like any of it was meant to be easy anyway, isn't it? One way or another, it all comes down to choosing. Choosing to notice things like the pretty sky. Choosing to put in effort. And above all, choosing to exist peacefully and beautifully, even in the cold and frightening face of the fear of what is unknown to you.
Good morning. Today is my sister's graduation. Awards ceremony? Something. She's getting, it's prize giving. Okay, yeah, for school. So, my parents and I are going to meet her there. So I'm almost done getting ready. I'm done actually. I just need to put on my shoes but anyways, there's this huge pimple on my forehead and anyways, I'll show you guys the outfit when I'm done with everything. It says spritz generously over the body, but every time I do that, they're not exactly dirty. I honestly wanted to put on my loafers, but then I decided otherwise because I'm going out on Friday. So on Friday, I want to wear my loafers instead of my sneakers. And I'm tall, okay? But my loafers make me the tallest guy in the world. As tall as him. I don't know who he is, but they make me as tall as him. I look like a basketball player if I wear my loafers. And I decided to go with my sneakers today. I'm trying to be at normal height for everybody. I'm just, accommodating. I don't know how I feel about the eyeliner, but I did my best, okay? But my skin was coming all right. I don't know, but yeah. Yes, ma. I've been done actually. Luckily, I did not slip off the stairs this time or trip over nothing.
Why?
Because we relate.
Holding up a beer, then you say get over here and play a video game. I'm at his favorite song, just watching me get undressed. Take that body downtown. Pussy, you're the best.
Waiting to get my sister's bags and things and we're going home. So yeah.
Why do I feel I'll incinerate under the sun?
Simple chores like washing dishes have become therapeutic. I've heard old people who drink whiskey say it takes the edge off. I've come to realize that I feel the same with any task that requires my full attention. To avoid anything that stirs the thought of a nagging feeling of fear of the unknown.
Right now, I'd rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find a girl I'll miss ya. Right now, I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, when it was you and me. I felt like I loved you too much to change you. You believe in angels more than angels. Feel like I've been going through too much to explain to you.
Or the aches caused by what is considered to be
Everything I have, what I had to exchange for you. Everything
a thing of the past.
even complain to you. Wish it stayed the same for you. Sorry.
Wait, how did we get here?
Whether I'm watching The Vampire Diaries, Wednesday, or any of my favorite shows, I become fully present and invested in whatever is happening there rather than leaving room for thoughts. Like I said earlier, it takes the edge off. Fear is tiresome, especially if it is that of the unknown. Of course, there are going to be days when one feels that they can take on the world. It's human to have hope. But there will also be days where even the smallest of things are irritant or cause a rift in one's state of mind. And some tasks become overwhelming. It is also human to feel.
You're not sorry? Every time I watch Vampire Diaries, I'm gonna get angry. It's guaranteed.
December 16th, 2024. In this part of the world, it is called Reconciliation Day. A day in which the nation grants forgiveness to one another for things said and done in the past and gather to celebrate the festive season. I see this day as a day to make peace, not just with the past, but also with the future. When we don't know what to expect and how things will turn out to be, we tend to lose hope in the things we would like to achieve, forgetting that there is nothing we can do to stop the future from happening. We just need to make peace with it. As I wait for the work I've put in over the past year to yield favorable results in the coming year, none of it is in my control. I just have to make peace with it and live blissfully in the unknown. See you next week.